सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबा दें ताकि आपको सारी अपडेट्स मिलती रहें।
Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Indian Legal. So let we start. Check bouncing cases charged under Section 138 of Negotiable Instrument Act is tried by answer option C, Magistrate Court. Question number 2. Under Section 59 to 60 of Indian Evidence Act, the oral statement means answer option A, all statements made before the court by the witnesses. Question number 3. Under the Evidence Act, courts include answer option D, A and B. Question number 4. Admissibility of contents of electronic records may be proved in accordance with the provision. Answer option C. Under Section 65B of Indian Evidence Act. Question number 5. Which is not a public record as per the provision of Indian Evidence Act? Answer option C. Documents or correspondence from advocates or notary office. Question number 6. Section 67 of Motor Vehicle Act 1988 provides answer option D. State government's power to control the road transport. Question number 7. The term tort is answer option B, French word. Question number 8. In tort, what is vicarious liability? Answer option B. A person is liable for wrongful act done by the person. Answer question 9. Under Section 2, Clause 1, Clause F of Consumer Protection Act 1986, defect it means by any fault, imperfection or shortcoming dash in relation to the goods. Answer options D, all of the above. Question number 10. Which of the following falls under the categories of act of God? Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 11. Income Tax Act was enacted in answer option B, 1961. Question number 12. Income is defined under Section 24 of the Income Tax Act as answer option D, all of the above. Question number 13. Provisions of Section 80 of CPC are binding on answer option D, all of the above. Question number 14. Temporary injunction can be granted. Answer option B, ex parte. Question number 15. Right to be appealed is a answer option C, statutory rights. Question number 16. The last amendment to the Indian Succession Act was made in answer option C, 2002. Question number 17. Which is the correct statement? Answer option A, there can be a will without a codicil. Question number 18. As per Section 63 of Indian Succession Act, a will should be arrested by answer option B, by two or more witnesses. Question number 19. Adat under Mohammedan law refers to answer option D, or none of the above. Question number 20. Under the Christian Marriage Act, the marriage registrar for any district is appointed by answer option A, state government. Question number 21. Which one is not a fundamental right? Answer option B, right to property. Question number 22. In the Minka Gandhi case, it was observed under answer option B, Olga Tellis versus Bombay. Answer option C, right to go abroad is within the ambit of Article 19, Clause 1, Clause A, but the confession of passport is not accordance to the law. Question number 23. Reasonable rejection can be imposed on the right of free movement? Answer option B. In the interest of political leaders. Question number 24. Which of the following can claim Article 19 of Constitution? Answer option C. Only citizens. Question number 25. Clause 3 of Article 20, Clause 1 of the Indian Constitution says that no accused person shall be compelled to be. Answer option C. A witness against himself. Answer option 26. Indra Swarne versus Union of India is popularly known as. Answer option C. Mandal Commission case. Question number 27. Due to the outcome of this case, slum dwellers were benefited. Answer option B. Alga Telas versus Bombay Municipal Corporation. Question number 28. What is meant by homicide? Answer option C. Killing of a human being by another human being. Question number 29. Adulteration of food or drink is a punishable offence. Answer option B. Under section 277 to 278 of IPC. Question number 30. Maximum punishment of for waging a war against the government of India under IPC is. Answer option D. Death sentence. Question 31. Offence relating to elections are. Answer option B. Are introduced in the IPC by a subsequent amendment. And question 32. Rupa Bajaj versus KPC Gill is a famous case which is the Supreme Court decided on. Answer option C. Outrage the modesty of a woman. Question number 33. Which of the following is not a civil nature? Answer option C. Right to caste or religion. Question number 34. In a suit where the doctrine of a res judicata applies. Answer option A. The suit is liable to be dismissed. Question number 35. Under section 16 CPC, a suit relating to immovable property can be filed in the court whose local jurisdiction is. Answer option A. Where the property is situated. Question number 36. Pleading means. Answer option A. Planet and written statement. Question number 37. On failure to file a written statement under Order 8 Rule 10 of CPC, the court may. Answer option D. Any of the above. Question number 38. Which section of the Specific Relief Act prohibits filing a case against the government? Answer option B. Section 6. Question number 39. The Patent Act became a law in. Answer option A. 1970. Question number 40. A public interest litigation can be filed under. Answer option C. A and B. Question number 41. Supreme Court is C.P. Gupta versus Union of India AIR 1982 SC 149 decided. Answer option C. Judges transfer. Question number 42. Supreme Court in the PIL known as Kamalnath case were involved. Answer option D. Public interest doctrine. Question number 43. Vishakha versus State of Rajasthan case is related to. Answer option A. Sexual harassment at workplace. Question number 44. Court's power to award compensation is provided in a specific relief act. Answer option B. Under section 21. Question number 45. Proofing of handwriting is provided in Indian Evidence Act. Answer option D, A and B. Question number 46. Section 26 of the Indian Evidence Act provides. Answer option D, A and C. Question number 47. The term evidence means include. Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 48. Which of the authority that determines the language of the court order, then High Court within a given state under Section 271 of CRPC? Answer option A, state government. Question number 49. A decree can be. Answer option D, either preliminary or final. Question number 50. Foreign judgment is defined under CPC. Answer option A, under Section 2 Clause 6 of CPC. Question number 51. Section 2 Clause 1 ZB of the Trademark Act 1999 defined the meaning of. Answer option A, trademark. Question number 52. Outrage the modesty of a woman is punishable under IPC. Answer option C, Section 354. Question number 53. Section 463 of Indian Penal Code deals with the crime of. Answer option C, forgery. Question number 54. Criminal emendation is explained in IPC under. Answer option A, Section 503 to 506. The case Krishna Gopal versus State of MP relates to. Answer option C, noise and air pollution. Question number 56. What is the punishment for advocates if the established finding of the Bar Council is misappropriation? Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 57. On being aggrieved by the order of the State Bar Council, one can appeal to. Answer option C, Bar Council of India. Question number 58. Which section of Advocates Act provides punishment for misconduct of advocate? Answer option B, Section 35. Question number 59. Section 24 of Advocates Act deals with. Answer option A, qualification of advocates who should be enrolled in the bar. Question number 60. Under the Workmen's Compensation Act, which is helpful decides the extent of injury of compensation? Answer option D, B and C. Question number 61. Section 23 of Workmen's Compensation Act 1923 says that the Commissioner shall have the power of. Answer option A, a court. Question number 62. The objective of the Industrial Dispute Act 1947 is. Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 63. Section 2 Clause Q of Industrial Dispute Act 1947 provides the definition of. Answer option C, strike. Question number 64. The Land Acquisition Act came into the force from. Answer option D, 1st March 1894. Question number 65. Under the Land Acquisition Act, the arable land means. Answer option C, useful for cultivation. Question number 66. The provision of the Establishing Public Service Commission is made under. Answer option B, Article 315. Question number 67. Right to be personal liberty includes. Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 68. The Supreme Commander of the Defence Force of the India is. Answer option A, President. Question number 69. Retirement age of the Supreme Court judges is. Answer 65 years. Question number 70. Criminal Procedure Code is the subject of. Answer option A, concurrent list. Question number 71. Bailable and non-bailable offence has been defined as. Answer option A, Section 2 Clause A of CRPC. Question number 72. Under Section 21 of a CRPC, special executive magistrate may be appointed by? Answer option D, state government. Question number 73. Police may carry out personal search on an arrested person. Answer option C under section 51 CRPC. Question number 74. The special court is? Answer option A, not subordinate to High Court. Question number 75. The powers under section 159 of CRPC can be exercised by a magistrate. Answer option A, when the police decides not to investigate the case. Question number 76. Statement recorded during the investigation under section 161 can be used in a trial. Answer option A, for contradicting the witness. Question number 77. The power of taking cognizance of offence by a magistrate of first class or second class is provided. Answer option B, under section 190 of CRPC. Question number 78. Additions or alteration is alteration of charges is provided in CRPC. Answer option C, under section 216. Question number 79. Under the Hindu Adoption or Maintenance Act, the person who is taken is adoption. Answer option A, must be a Hindu only. Question number 80. Polygamy was permitted for Hindus before the year. Answer option C, 1955. Question number 81. Mohan gets married to his sister, daughter Kirti. Answer option A, the marriage is valid if the custom allows it. Question number 88. Within the purview of Water Act, the meaning of stream is defined as? Answer option D, includes a river, a water course, and subterranean water. Question number 83. The word ombudsman is derived from? Answer option C, Swadesh administration. Question number 84. Under section 3 of the Commission of Inquiry Act 1952, an inquiry commission is appointed by? Answer option A, central government or state government. Question number 85. Information Technology Act was enacted in? Answer option C, 2000. Question number 88. Government of India passed Information Technology Act in 2000 with objective? Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 87. The minimum number of persons required to incorporate a public company is? Answer option C, 7. Question number 88. A private company can commence business as soon as it received? Answer option A, certification of incorporation. Question number 89. Which of the following is not an essential of a contract of guarantee? Answer option D, existence of only one contract. Question number 90. The term agent is defined in the Indian Contract Act under section? Answer option C, 182 of the Act. Question number 91. What is the maximum number of parents in banking business? Answer option B, 10. Question number 92. A person who gives the guarantee is called? Answer option D, surety. Question number 93. Which is not a right of an unpaid seller against the goods? Answer option D, to ascertain price. Question number 94. Section 36 to 42 of Specific Relief Act provides? Answer option A, injunctions. Question number 95. Section 154 under IT Act is? Answer option C, rectification of mistakes. Question number 96. Which of the following is not included in the capital asset under Section 2, Clause 14 of the Income Tax Act? Answer option C, A and B. Question number 97. The language which is to be used in the arbitral proceedings is decided by. Answer option B, parties to be decided by mutual understanding. Question number 98. The arbitral proceedings shall stand terminated. Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 99. Every award of Lok Adalat is deemed to be a. Answer option C, decree of a civil court. Question number 100. The Arbitration or the Conciliation Act 1996 section 18 to 27 states. Answer option A, the conducting of arbitral proceedings.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबा दें ताकि आपको सारी अपडेट्स मिलती रहें।